Hello, this is Richard Wilson with Family Office Club and Billionaire Advisors. I wanted to do a Q1 check-in video for 2020 and just share how things are going. I think it'd be kind of interesting to look back at this, maybe in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, and just share the progress we've made. At this point last year, we did, in 2019, did just under $5 million in revenue. We've got a 13-person team here in Key Biscayne. We have a couple team members in the Philippines, as well as one in Portugal and one in Oregon as well. Last year we hosted 25 events. This year we're aiming at 30, but currently the coronavirus is kind of forcing us to relook at our plans, and in some cases we might not be allowed to host events in certain cities that are on lockdown, so that's been a bit of a challenge. In response to that, we're developing member spotlight videos. We'll interview one of our members, and it costs a few $1,000s, but we'll interview one of our members, have them say their one-liner about their firm, and then put that out through our social media, put it in the member portal for other members to get in touch with them, put it out on our podcast, YouTube, etc., so they can make some connections through the Family Office Club a bit more fluidly. That's one way we're responding to it. Another way is adding these investor mandate interviews that we're starting to do to YouTube and or the podcast. And so the non-members will be able to hear the interview and the advice of the investor and what they're looking for, but they won't hear the last name or the firm name unless they're a member and they log in through the member portal to add more value to members. We've been live streaming our events for a few years, so we're going to keep on live streaming those throughout this year and while the virus is here. Also, we launched privateequity.com as one of our investor portals, and we're able to onboard now 47 new clients through privateequity.com as investor advisory clients. And what that means is they sign a letter of intent, like an investor advisory agreement, that if they invest in deals through us, they pay a small profit share on those investments. We're also just about to go live with Doctor's Family Office in partnership with 2 different dentist and doctor clubs to basically serve virtual family office type solutions and direct investments to dentists, doctors, and other medical business owners who want to invest in things like, we're looking at a 7-location dental chain right now that's looking for new investors, or other healthcare or real estate, cash flowing real estate type investments. So that's going well. And overall, we're serving 58 clients on the investor side of things. And last year, we were able to refer over $160 million of wealth advisory business. This year, we're hoping to do the same or more and grow that over time. The heavy hitters in the space usually bring in about $1 billion a year in assets under management. So one day I hope we get there. And team-wise, we're just trying to only hire A players, like I think everyone's always trying to do, but just being less patient with those who are not A players, not energetic, they don't come with batteries included, they're not excellent at their role, then we want to very quickly change those. And if there's any clients that don't fit our values, we want to quickly exit those relationships and really focus on people who are aligned with us. Last thing I'll mention is that FamilyOfficeDatabases.com is growing nicely. We've improved the platform drastically over the last 6 months. And at PitchDecks.com, while we've served 77 clients, we're really focused on retainer clients now. Clients that need ongoing help, have already raised $25 or $50 million, so paying $2,500 to $8,000 a month to have all of their marketing stuff done and executed and improved and more institutionalized and have a better conversion rate and response rate on everything they do, and have everything just look more professional, essentially. That's really our core client there now as we grow to serving 100 clients total from the 76, 77 we've served so far. And we're excited about that change because it's bringing quality versus quantity, which is just a healthier way to be living in the world, I think. And then the final thing is we're moving towards, virus is slowing it down a little bit, but we're moving towards doing an annual membership due only versus monthly. We want it to be more of a community, more high-end. We'll always have moderate, medium-sized events, but the percentage of investors in the room is something we're always trying to get better and better. And I just feel like there's going to be less hassle clients and more quality again if we focus on people who do an annual commitment versus month to month. So I hope you can be part of our community here at the Family Office Club as we grow. Thank you for everybody's support and your business if you're already a client with us. If you're not, please check out what we're up to at FamilyOffices.com. Take care.